So let's start to use Flask. Go into the command line and pip install Flask. Once you've done it, you go in your Sublime Text or another editor, and from Flask import with capital letter here Flask. Okay, then use this Flask class with name double underscore here, and then use this decorator app.root and def index, nothing in it, and then return what you want to write in the home page, and you can write anything here. Let's make this, for example, return home page with Python. The last things you got to do is to run, use this function debug equal true, and then you save your program and you launch it, and then there is an error because Flask, there is a typo here. Let's run it again, and you see the server is starting, and then here it says running on HTTP 127. And let's copy this, go into your browser and paste this address here, and here you got homepage with Python. So this is what we just wrote here, homepage with Python. If we change it in Python, our first attempt to make a web page with Flask, and we save it and we run it, you see that it has changed, so it is working, and that is all for now. Thank you.